Hello everyone and welcome to another Voluta digital release form tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to set up brand new passcodes from the default passcodes already in your app. The app we're using today was specially designed for teaching you about the basic functionality across all of our release form apps, so it will be the same steps no matter which app of ours you're using. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to tap on the home page and then tap on our settings button in the bottom right. It'll ask you for your employee passcode, and the default passcode across all of our apps is 1234. After we enter that in, it'll bring us to a new page, and up at the very top, we'll tap on settings. Here it's going to ask us for the master passcode, and again, the default is 1234. We'll talk about the differences between the master passcode and the employee passcode in just a moment. Now we're going to scroll down to the passcode menu, and we'll start with our employee passcode. The employee passcode will allow the person working with your clients to go through the entire release form process, but they won't be able to change any of the app's important settings. Then we can tap to change our master passcode. This passcode allows access into all settings of the app, so only give this passcode to people that you want poking around in the menus. When you're done changing any options in the settings menu, just tap save and verify, and success. All of your changes have been saved. So as we can see, our employee passcode is allowing us to get through the entire release form process with our clients, look up returning clients, and it also allows our employees to get in and access the how-to and support pages. But when we go to change our settings, our employee passcode doesn't work, but our master passcode does. And when we want to make in-app purchases for more release forms, only the master passcode works as well. Thank you for watching this Voluta digital release form tutorial. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel with more tutorials on how to set up and best utilize your app. And don't forget, if you're ever offline and unable to watch one of our videos, you can always head into your app and go to our How to Set Up and Use FAQ, and when you are connected, use our support page for more help.